If you're looking to buy a Starlink from a dealer or a reseller in your country, maybe you couldn't buy from Starlink.com because of your card issues or something happened, don't worry. You can still buy from resellers. I'm of the opinion that it's also okay to buy from resellers as long as they give you a good price. But most of the time, you can actually get in trouble or just make matters worse for yourself if you buy from a reseller and you don't know these things. I decided to just make this video to just sensitize you on the things you should know if you're going to be buying a Starlink from a friend or family, or if you're even receiving it as a gift from someone. The first thing you should check for when you're buying Starlink or you get gifted Starlink is the coverage of Starlink in your country or your region, right? So go on starlink.com/map and check the map. You will see there on the map, if Starlink is available in your region, it's going to show there. If there is congestion in your region, you should also see that that part of the map is grayed out. Make sure to check the Starlink website, starlink.com/map. Check. I'm going to add the link to the description as well. Check to be sure that Starlink is even going to work in your location. All right. So check that first before you collect the Starlink from the person or before you buy from someone. Another thing you should look out for is renewal. Most people have reached out to me. It's there in my comment box on some of the videos I've made about Starlink that they cannot renew their Starlink. Find out from the person you're buying from or the person gifting it to you if you can use your card or if you can use their card to renew. Some people have tried with their own card, it did not work. Some people have tried and it did work. If you check the comments on my video about Starlink payments and renewing your subscription, you'll see people's comments there. Check first. Find out if the person is going to be helping you with renewing your Starlink, or if they're going to give you their card details, or if your card is going to work. Ask them what card they use to pay for their subscription or for their renewal. That's the second thing. Another thing is the credentials. Every Starlink user has an account with Starlink, right? You go on starlink.com, you log in. But if this seller does not give you the credentials, you cannot log into your Starlink account. You cannot diagnose the issue with your Starlink account. You might have to even start disturbing them, right? So ask for the credentials. Another thing that might come up is your NIN number. If you're in Nigeria, if you're buying Starlink for the first time, or if somebody is buying Starlink for you, they are going to be asked to provide their national ID, which is the NIN number. Ask this person for their NIN number, just in case something happens with the Starlink, you'd be able to, troubleshoot it. Or if they are not willing to give you their NIN number, make sure that it's somebody that would really be on standby to help you with issues related to Starlink. This is very important. Then number 4, make sure to ask them if they are going to be helping you with servicing or upgrading the Starlink if something happens, right? It's very easy to buy Starlink from anyone, right? But issues might come up, right? Is this person giving you a warranty? Is this person going to assist you with issues you're going to be having with Starlink? Find out from them, because it's very important that they help you service it or they help you maintain it if something comes up. Say, for example, an error pops up on your Starlink, right? Or it's not working and you don't even know why it's not working. You've restarted so many times. Be sure to check with this person, find out if they are going to be helping you with maintenance and servicing. And then the last one is access to kits. Right now, if you own a Starlink account, you can log into starlink.com and go to the shop and buy Starlink kits. But since you're buying from a reseller, it's very important to confirm from the reseller if they are going to help you with kits as well. I'm guessing you're buying from a reseller or from another company out there, because you cannot handle all of this yourself. Ask them, hey, if there is an upgrade or if something happens or this cable is too short, do you have access to Starlink kits that I can use to upgrade my Starlink or maintain my Starlink? If you have these 5 things in check, it will be very easy for you to buy and maintain a Starlink. Share this video with someone if you think it's very important. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have questions for me, feel free to ask me. I'll be here to answer your questions. I'll see you around. Take care.